Stop scrolling if you think you know everything about Star Wars. Here's a secret. Morse code is hidden in Rebel Alliance transmissions. Sound designers added real Morse code to the background chatter and beeps in key scenes, especially in the original trilogy. For example, during operations at Rebel bases, some of the beeping communications actually spell out words like escape and attack in Morse. This subtle detail wasn't just for realism, it was a clever nod to wartime code breaking, deepening the saga's connection to real-world resistance movements.